Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to February 5th, 2026. On the Family Life Skills calendar, today's activity is Mixology, creating mocktails and fun beverages as a family to spark creativity and enjoy quality bonding time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Gather fresh fruits, juices, herbs, and fizzy drinks. Assign setup roles for teamwork and fun. Step 2. Combine flavors like citrus, berries, or tropical fruits. Get creative with unique names like Sunset Splash or Berry Breeze. Step 3. Mix and create. Take turns measuring, pouring and stirring. Add garnishes like mint sprigs, fruit slices, or sugar rims to enhance presentation. Step 4. Enjoy each creation. Share feedback and vote on family favorites to celebrate creativity. Step 5. Set up a mini mocktail bar. Snap photos of your colorful drinks and cherish the sweet moments together. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Creativity, experimenting with flavors and presentation. Teamwork, collaborating to craft delicious drinks. Mocktail making fosters creativity, healthy choices, and lasting family memories. Cheers to fun, flavor, and togetherness. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.